What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in again to Kart Smart TV. Today I have another lithium install. Just your plain Jane with a back seat kit on it. Club Car DS. Several years ago, when we started doing conversions, going from a resistor style to solid state, this golf cart got moved from 36 volt to 48 volt. The way you get started here is you get these batteries out first, of course, and then you're going to get your brackets, dry fit those, get it marked up where you want it, drill all your holes, you're ready to go. So that's where we're going to start, guys. We're going to get these batteries out. Okay, so we got our lead acids out. I'm going to get this cleaned up and get ready to get our brackets out, get our hardware out, everything like that, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what I do to get that mounted up. In the meantime, a little trick: when you're installing your new port, your new charge port, take your little piece of wood right here and just ever so slightly stick it underneath here so it doesn't, you put it on straight, it doesn't get cocked off sideways or something like that with you. So stick your little board under there, it holds it in place, put your screws in, and you'll be good. Alright guys, so here's your dry fit. They literally just lay right in the center like this. You're going to have a bolt that goes in this slot, a bolt that goes in this slot, a bolt that goes in that slot, and a bolt that goes in that slot. That way you can adjust it back and forth as far as you need to accommodate the battery. Just mentioned that you might want to drop the battery over in here just to see, especially if it's your first time doing it. Sit it down on your bracket here, see where the feet of the battery land on your bracket here and there. Adjust accordingly, and then you can pull the battery back up and make some marks if you need to and drill the holes. Alright, so there it is, all sit in the cart like it's supposed to. Brackets tightened down, bolts are put in the feet of the battery to the brackets. Time to get this thing wired up. Got to get our solenoid put in the right place, which here's our old solenoid. We're going to be replacing it with the Bolt battery brand solenoid that they require. We've got our cables ran. See my big gauge cables here, that's for the battery pack. I've got my solenoid installed and wired back up. You're going to need a hole saw to do this with. I am currently using a 2 and an 8, but I do think 2 inches is probably the better one to use in this situation, but right now I don't have a 2 inch. So 2 and 8 is going to be okay, because the little clamp that clamps it to the back of the dash panel there, it's quite wide, and you can also manipulate it just a little bit, bending the tabs out just a little bit so it can grab more surface area. Okay, so there we go. We got our meter installed. Bundle up all your wire and put it right here behind your dash, and then you're going to run that cable underneath here all the way down the frame rail, and then she plugs into the battery right there. And then that's all you got to do for that meter, because it is literally a plug and play kind of system. Now at this point, I'm leaving my dash down, because when you do your reducer, you have to run you a switched wire up here, and it goes to the back of the key switch to be in the position where when you turn it on, everything comes on. Alright guys, so we are done. Really like the way this company has laid out all their product here to get you switched over to lithium. Really like the install. It's not that hard at all. They provide you with some zip ties. You probably want to have a couple extra on hand just for any of the accessory wires that you have. Like I had a big jumble of wires for the headlight kit and stuff here. Added the fuse block here just in case this customer decides to go with more accessories. And it's just a really cool setup that these guys from Bolt have put together. They always give you these stickers too, and if you notice at the bottom, always be charging. That could not be a better statement for the golf cart industry, period. Again guys, thanks for watching. If you are interested in any of this lithium stuff that we're doing right now, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll get you fixed up with what you need, and you just about can do these installations yourself. The manual that comes with this stuff does tell you, let a professional do it, but I really think a lot of you guys out there are going to be very capable of doing this yourself. It's exceptionally easy. Again, another one in the books, guys. We appreciate every second you guys are watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Comment if you need to ask us any questions about what you see here. There's also the phone number on the channel there somewhere. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. We know a lot of you are watching but not subscribing, so please hit that subscribe button for us. You might find yourself finding some things you didn't realize we had. As always be charging, and God bless.